Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a title or a comment going viral. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit.
What is up, y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today, as you can see, my eye makeup is not fully done, and that is because by the title you can see I am attempting to do a cut crease. So if you've been on my channel for a little bit, you have probably noticed I have never done a cut crease and probably always wondered why, and like I just never done it, and that is because I've never actually attempted one. I've always been scared it would mess up my makeup, and then usually after I film I go somewhere and I didn't want to have like really bad eye makeup because I messed it up. And well, today I don't have anywhere to go but to do some work, and yeah, the only thing I've ever attempted a cut crease with is these Stila glitter things, and that's not really a cut crease. So yeah, let's just try and attempt this cut crease because you probably are like just wanting to know how it goes, so let's just get on with the video. Okay, so attempting this cut crease, I'm just using this palette to like look into my eye to make sure I'm getting a precise thing. I don't know if that made sense, but yeah, so if I'm looking down or anything, it's into this mirror. And then also to attempt the cut crease, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Light. And then I'm just using this Beauty Stroke flat brush. You can find them at any, not this brand, but you can find like any flat brush anywhere. Just look. And then if this bothers you at all, I don't know, sometimes right here it gets really dry, and today's that day, and it just kind of gets patchy right here. It just is something I do with my eye. So as you can see, I already have my eyeshadow done, so I just did like a brown reddish shade right here, and then a dark shade right here, and then I will clean it up at the end if I need to, but yeah. And then so I'm just gonna do this. I just have some down in here and I'm just using it. I'm actually really scared to do this. I have hair in this. Okay, so I just put some in this. I'm really scared to do this. I have two eyes to attempt this. Okay, so James Charles, you look down. Okay. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how to do where you put it right here. Oops. And then but it goes really high. Okay. I don't think that's it. Okay. So I'm just gonna do it this way. So I'm closing my eye and just going the shape of my eye, packing it in. So it like went there. I don't know. And then I'm gonna pat this out. Hey, I think that went really well. That was really easy. Oh, my eye just started watering. I think that just really went really well. Why is this hard? People act like this is really hard. Or do I think this looks really bad? That's also out. My concealer's out. I grabbed the one that was out. Okay, and then I just want to set it, and I'm just going to use the halo and enhance mixed together and set it. And then I'm going back in with my Naked Basics palette that I was using earlier when I was doing my makeup and just kind of blending that together. I guess this is like a tutorial. So yeah, that was the first eye. I'm just gonna blend it a little bit. I feel like maybe it was because my concealer was out, but it's just like not as defined. If that makes sense. It's like not as bright. Maybe this one would be better. But like the actual cutting the crease thing was not that hard. Why are you wobbly? Okay, this one, this is fair light. Maybe it's because it's not right. That was a lot. So let's try this again. I don't know how I did that. This one's a lot brighter, yeah. I think it was just because that other one was out that it didn't work. But other than that, that wasn't that hard. Ah. But for the why? On camera it looks like there's like this big line right there, but there's not. Oh yeah, there is. What? Is it not set all the way? So that's my issue, I guess, with setting it, and it's not like I don't even know. See, my eyes are like, see, this is what I was scared of, was my eyes are way too wrinkly for like putting concealer on it like that, so it looks really creasy, and that's one thing I was scared of doing, is just having a creasy eye. So other than that, I don't know, like it creases really easily, but other than that, like I don't think it looks, like messed that up really bad. Just ignore my eye over here. Like looks really bad on camera. Other than that, I'm going to go finish off my eyes and then come back. I'm going to show you the overall feel of all this. And yeah, it took me really short. But yeah, I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so my final thoughts on doing a cut crease. I feel like it's really easy just for my eye. My eyes kind of crease a little bit more. Definitely use a really bright color, as I used 2 different colors. So this one was fair neutral, so it looks a lot brighter over here than over here. Definitely, yeah, use a really light color to do a cut crease. Other than that, I don't think this was that hard. I don't know, a lot of people make it seem a lot harder than it is. Maybe I've just seen it happen so many times that I'm like, oh, this wasn't that hard. My lipstick is off really weirdly. But yeah, that is my final thoughts. Let me know what you think about this video down below, and if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and give a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below, and also hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Patrol these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?